This is one of the coolest text effects you can create in Premiere Pro, but there's a hidden problem that ruins the effect for most editors. I'll show you how to create it properly and fix that problem before the end of this video. To begin, I've already imported these 5 videos onto my timeline. The first thing we need to do is stack them on top of each other. Once that's done, press T to activate the type tool and create your text. From the Properties panel, choose any font you like, but for the best result, pick a bold or heavy font, then increase the font size so the letters have enough space for the video effect. Also, set the text alignment to center. This small step will save you time later because whenever you change the text, Premiere will automatically keep it aligned properly. Next, use these alignment buttons to center the text, both horizontally and vertically, and make sure your text layer lasts for the entire duration of the effect. Now, grab the rectangle tool and draw a shape that covers the entire screen. Inside the Properties panel, make sure to place the shape below the text layer, and set its fill color to black. Then, head over to Opacity, and change the blend mode to multiply. And just like that, your video is now playing inside the text. Pretty cool, right? But we can make it even better. You can simply reposition and resize each video clip to make it fit perfectly inside a specific letter. Next, you can use the rectangle mask tool. If you're using an older version of Premiere Pro, you'll find it inside the Effect Controls panel. Create a mask on the footage and adjust it so the video fits perfectly within a single letter. Then simply repeat the same process for other letters and videos. And that's how you can place multiple videos inside your text in Premiere Pro. But here's the problem. This technique works great until you decide to remove the black background. The moment you do that, everything falls apart. Fortunately, there's an easy fix. Select all your layers, right-click and choose Nest. Now place another video underneath the nested sequence to use as your background. Then select the nested sequence and change its blend mode to screen. The black background instantly disappears. To create more depth and make the text stand out, you can also reduce the opacity of the background footage. Looks much cleaner. However, there's still one issue. What if your background isn't a dark video? What if it's a bright image or a solid color? In that situation, the screen blend mode won't work properly. So let's fix that too. Let's change that blend mode back to normal. Then go to the Effects panel and search for Luma Key. You can simply double-click to apply it. Now open the Effect Controls panel and set the Luma threshold value to around 1%. And there we go. Whether your background is a video, an image, or even a solid color, the effect works perfectly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you'll definitely want to check out these videos next, because they'll help you create even more eye-catching text effects inside Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.